Let's take a look at one of the more powerful and flexible features in the Work platform, Fields to Capture. Fields to Capture tells the platform what data you want back from a work action, whether that's from an API response, a spreadsheet, or even a human step. Each field you capture can have a specific data type. This ensures work handles the data correctly and keeps everything structured. You can choose from data types like dates, connected accounts, files, links, numbers, text, and so much more. Say an action returns a generic label like result, or in this case, expression result. You can use fields to capture to create a unique name that adds structure and context to your outputs. When using fields to capture, always make sure to hit the plus button and confirm your work action. When retrieving data from spreadsheets, like in this retrieve data from Google Sheets work action, you can use fields to capture to specify the column names or the first row values of your column and assign data types to them. Column 1, column 2, and let's say our third column is called value. This will grab each column's values and assign them directly as outputs to your work action. When dealing with JSON, fields to capture allows you to extract specific first-level key value pairs. No need for separate transformation steps. This works for our JSON work actions as well as our API call work actions that frequently return JSON as well. For actions that are handled by our human workforce, like this retrieve data from a website human, you can use fields to capture to specify the outputs that you would like our human workforce to capture. Overall, use fields to capture to make your workflows more structured, documented, and powerful. In the next video, we'll show you how to trigger your workflow using a webhook.